how to create vintage volume using the all-new Schwarzkopf Professional Osis styling line. First, we're going to be using the Upload Bodifying Cream. Work this liberally through the hair, starting at the roots and pulling through the mid-lengths and the ends. Start with the technique of flat wrapping with your blow dryer. I call this turning the pages in the book, starting with the center page that straddles the middle part from front to back. To build the volume from the base, we have to work our pre-blow dry from the roots first. We're building the volume straight up off the scalp. Our goal is to create smooth, lifted roots while maintaining moisture through the mid-lengths and the ends. This gives us the opportunity to create the shape through the mids and ends without over drying the hair in the initial pre-dry. Once you finish turning each page of the book with your hands, now you can start working with a round brush. The Osis Upload provides a light, non-sticky hold, creates volume, and has heat protection up to 150 degrees. To set our style, we are using Velcro rollers. The pattern I'm using for this set is a center mohawk all the way through down the back. We are starting in the front, so that way we can clip each section forward to maximize the volume up off the scalp. To cool off and set the style, we are working with the Osis Elastic Light Hold Hairspray. Because this Osis styling spray is layerable, brushable, light hold, we can go ahead and break this step down later without any problems.
Let's style this beautiful blowout with the new Osis products by Schwarzkopf Professional. After removing all the rollers, I gently comb my model's hair from the roots to the ends. Next, I apply Osis Texture Craft Spray to the roots and all over. Tussle with fingers for the perfect texture. Osis Trill is an elastic fiber gum that tames flyaways and enhances shine. It's super fun to apply. I brush it through with a boar bristle paddle brush. Just take a look at this volume. To finish the style, I use Osis Elastic Hairspray. This non-sticky hairspray helps me to create the desired look. If you want even more volume, you should try Osis Dusted Powder. The wow effect is guaranteed.